Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Apple Watch SE to your iPhone XR. First, make sure your iPhone XR is running the most current iOS software. Next, power on your Apple Watch SE and keep it near your iPhone. You should see the Apple logo on the watch face. Then, simply open the Apple Watch application on your iPhone to start the pairing process. This initial setup is quick and ensures a smooth connection between your devices. Once the Apple Watch app is open, tap Pair New Watch on your iPhone. Your iPhone's camera will activate. Hold it over the animation that appears on your Apple Watch screen. This automatically links the devices. If the automatic pairing doesn't work, you can choose Pair manually and enter the 6-digit code shown on your watch into your iPhone. Confirm the pairing code on both screens to proceed. After successful pairing, you'll be guided through several setup steps. Select which wrist you'll wear your watch on and accept the terms and conditions. You'll then sign in with your Apple ID, which allows your applications and data to synchronize seamlessly. Remember to set a secure passcode for your Apple Watch to protect your information. Finally, personalize settings such as text size and activity tracking preferences to make your watch truly yours. If you encounter any issues during or after pairing, don't worry. First, confirm that both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active on your iPhone XR. A simple restart of both your Apple Watch SE and iPhone can often resolve minor glitches. Always keep both devices updated to their latest software versions. If all else fails, you can unpair your Apple Watch from your iPhone and then repeat the pairing process from the beginning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.